In this video, I'll show you how to turn on friend requests on Facebook step by step. If other people can't send you friend requests, you may need to adjust your privacy settings to make the Add Friend button available again. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the menu icon, then go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap How People Find and Contact You. Next, tap Who Can Send You Friend Requests. If it's currently set to Friends of Friends, select Everyone. This allows anyone on Facebook who isn't already your friend to send you a friend request. After making the change, go back and review your followers and public content settings if needed. If you want people to be able to follow your public posts as well, you can adjust those options according to your preferences. Keep in mind that if you've reached Facebook's limit of 5,000 friends or have too many pending outgoing friend requests, the Add Friend button may still not appear for other users until those issues are resolved. Once you've updated your settings, ask someone who isn't on your friends list to view your profile and confirm that the Add Friend button is now visible. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.